It's the most wonderful time of year for dessert, and I'm making a chocolate ice cream bombe. It only has 3 layers, 2 of which are store-bought ingredients. I'm creating a dome with cake. Line a 3-liter bowl with cling wrap. This will make unmolding easier. Now for the filling. I'm using chocolate brownie ice cream. You can use anything you fancy. I'm going to swirl some raspberries through it for that fresh pop. Fill your dome, cover with more cake, and off to the freezer. Lastly, we're making meringue. My eggs are at room temperature, and I'm going to bring them to medium soft peaks. I'm adding a pinch of cream of tartar. This will help stabilize it. I'm starting to add my sugar a teaspoon at a time so that it can dissolve before we add the next addition. It's super glossy and ready to become the topping of my cake. Now for the fun part, covering it with meringue. Now you can serve it like this with the marshmallow fluff topping, or you can go over the top like I am and blowtorch your meringue. You only need one showstopper for Christmas, and this is exactly that. Happy holidays!